Scon Design India Pvt Ltd stands at the forefront of revolutionary warehouse solutions in Bengaluru, specializing in state-of-the-art prefabricated structures. As a leading innovator in the construction industry, the company has made it their mission to transform the landscape of industrial infrastructure with their cutting-edge prefabricated warehouse designs. These modern marvels offer unparalleled efficiency, combining rapid deployment with customizable features to meet the diverse needs of businesses across sectors. The company's expertise lies in crafting durable, cost-effective, and environmentally conscious warehouse solutions that significantly reduce construction time without compromising on quality. By leveraging advanced engineering techniques and high-grade materials, Scon Design ensures that each prefabricated warehouse not only meets but exceeds industry standards for safety and longevity. This commitment to excellence has positioned them as a trusted partner for businesses looking to expand their operations swiftly and sustainably in the bustling metropolis of Bengaluru. At the heart of Scon Design's philosophy is a dedication to innovation and sustainability. The company's mission extends beyond mere construction. They aim to revolutionize the way businesses think about industrial spaces. By offering prefabricated warehouses that are both functional and eco-friendly, Scon Design is paving the way for a more sustainable future in industrial development. Their structures are designed to optimize energy efficiency, reduce waste, and minimize environmental impact, aligning perfectly with the growing global emphasis on green infrastructure. The versatility of Scon Design's prefabricated warehouses is truly remarkable. Whether it's a sprawling logistics center, a compact storage facility, or a specialized industrial unit, the company's solutions can be tailored to fit any requirement. This flexibility, combined with their rapid construction capabilities, allows businesses to respond quickly to market demands, giving them a significant competitive edge in today's fast-paced economy. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd's commitment to excellence is evident in every aspect of their operations. From the initial consultation to the final installation, their team of expert engineers and designers work closely with clients to ensure that every prefabricated warehouse is a perfect fit for its intended purpose. This client-centric approach, coupled with their innovative designs, has earned them a reputation for delivering projects that not only meet but often exceed client expectations. The company's impact on Bengaluru's industrial landscape is profound. By providing efficient, sustainable, and cost-effective warehouse solutions,